Welcome, today we're going to show you how to install and play Roblox on Nintendo Switch or Switch 2. So the first thing that you need to do is to open the Nintendo Switch settings as seen from here. After that you need to go to Internet section as seen from here and then go to Internet settings. So from here you need to actually choose the Wi-Fi that you are using and then click on change settings. After that, you need to go to DNS settings and turn it to manual. Now, go to the primary DNS and you need to input this DNS. You can just copy paste it or write it on your own. After that, hit on OK, and now it will tell you that this network requires user registration. Hit on OK, and after that, click on Go to Google, as seen from here. So now, you are on the browser. You need to search for Roblox. After you do that, now you can just open Roblox website and log in and play Roblox. So that's it. Thank you for watching and see you in the next videos.